How to fix your own tire. First, found the problem. There's a screw we left out here in the yard. Get a hold of it and gently pulled out. Get my nice big old screw. Now ream it out. Once we got the hole cleaned out, then we put the plug in. These plugs have a self-gluing. Used to be you had to put glue on them. You still could, but we'll see how this works. And all you have to do is stick this down in there. It pulls out, it'll strip out because it has a notch in there, allows it to come out. Get down in there. Plug in there. Pull it out. Now, a little bit of effort, and that should hold it. Clip that off, and we're ready to go. Get the wire cutters and just snip it off. And air it up, put it back on.